Every part of the neem tree has medicinal properties, not only its leaves. From the tree's flowers and stems to bark, seeds, and roots, this simple Indian tree has a lot going for it. Neem leaf powder can be made out of dried neem leaves and is the simplest way to benefit from ingestion of these leaves. It can also be applied topically to the skin. Alternatively, you can make neem leaf extract tea to enjoy the health benefits of this medicinal plant. Let's look at some of the biggest health benefits of neem leaves for health and well-being. And if you're into plant-based health remedies, check out the Lost Book of Remedies at the end of the video. 1. Improves skin health. Thanks to the antibacterial benefits of neem leaves, they can be used in powder form to treat a variety of skin conditions, from eczema to psoriasis. It can also ward off blackheads and help treat acne scars and pigmentation. To use neem leaves as an anti-acne treatment, apply a paste made from equal parts of neem leaf powder and water to your face. Leave the paste to sit as long as you can, preferably overnight, to allow the moisturizing properties of this remedy to get to work. With repeated topical application of neem leaves, you should experience a reduction of acne, softer, more hydrated skin, and a restored skin pH balance. You should also see a reduction in blackheads and large pores, as neem leaves can act as a natural toner. 2. Boosts hair health. Neem leaf powder has been used for centuries as an herbal dandruff remedy. Because neem leaves are antifungal, they can reduce infections and help to restore scalp health. Neem leaf powder can also be used to treat the scalp. Just make a paste by mixing the powder with lemon juice, then apply it directly to your scalp. Leave for around 20 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. This remedy should help to strengthen your hair follicles and clear dandruff, and can even add extra shine and volume to your hair. By using this remedy over a period of several weeks, you should be able to benefit from thicker, longer, healthy hair. 3. May improve dental health. According to several studies, the use of neem leaves can prevent plaque buildup and even prevent gum disease. In one study, participants who were given a mouthwash containing neem leaves were protected on the same level as participants who took a commercial anti-gum disease mouthwash. It's thought that in ancient Eastern medicine, people would chew sticks made from neem to clean their teeth. And there's evidence to suggest that neem can prevent bacteria from accumulating, thus preventing the formation of cavities and reducing the risk of gum disease. 4. Anti-cancer properties. Though there's certainly no evidence to suggest that neem leaves can be used alone as a cancer-fighting drug, emerging evidence suggests that the neem tree may offer anti-cancer benefits. Some research suggests that neem leaves may be able to suppress tumor growth and stimulate the immune system to fight cancer. While the evidence so far is promising, there's a lack of testing in the area, and more research needs to be done to determine exactly how this herbal remedy can prevent cancer and how it may be used in the future. 4. Boost the immune system. Neem leaf powder is thought to be a powerful natural immune stimulator thanks to its potent antifungal and antibacterial properties. Eastern medicine suggests that neem leaf powder may act as a cleansing agent, encouraging the body to expel harmful toxins and impurities and help to keep infections at bay. There's not much clinical evidence on this so far, though, and again, more research is needed. 6. Promotes gut health. Most of us don't link our gut health with our overall health, but research shows that gut health is actually connected to our immune system, our brain health, and mood, our sleep abilities, and even heart health. So it stands to reason that looking after your gut is essential for overall health and well-being, and neem leaf powder is a promising ingredient to add to your diet for this purpose. Records dating back for centuries show how neem leaf powder has been used as a natural medicine for a variety of intestinal disorders, including ulcers and inflammation. Because of the anti-inflammatory benefits of neem leaf powder, it can help to promote healthy digestion and maintain overall good gut and digestive tract health. 7. Relieves pain and inflammation. Inflammation is the body's normal way of righting itself when something goes wrong. But when inflammation becomes chronic, things get serious. Diseases like arthritis and autoimmune disorders can be difficult to manage and are caused by too much inflammation in the body. With the anti-arthritic and anti-inflammatory properties of the neem tree, Neem seed oil is often used to provide relief from inflammation of the joints in certain forms of arthritis. It's thought that neem oil is particularly powerful in treating rheumatoid arthritis, providing relief from pain and swelling all over the body. 8. May purify blood. We don't know too much about the blood-purifying health benefits of neem leaves and neem oil just yet, but it's thought that the detoxifying properties of neem make it an effective detox ingredient. By encouraging the body to remove toxins from the blood, neem oil helps to cleanse the body and boost blood circulation. Some studies also suggest that neem can be used as a water pill or a diuretic, and many people have used neem over the years to detox the body. 9. Effective insect repellent. When applied topically, neem oil can work in a similar way to citronella, producing a scent that insects don't like. You can use neem oil to repel insects by diluting it and applying it to your skin, burning a neem oil candle, or making a neem oil kerosene lantern. According to a recent study, neem is highly efficient in protecting against mosquitoes for at least 3 hours after being applied to the skin. 10. Kills head lice. Head lice is never pleasant, and the little bugs can be a nightmare to get rid of. Luckily, certain properties of neem oil make it effective in killing lice in a single application. You might find extract of neem listed as an ingredient in some commercial anti-lice shampoos. That's how effective it is. One study found that using a 10-minute neem extract-based anti-lice treatment effectively killed both head lice and their eggs. When using neem to kill head lice, you can either take some diluted neem oil or combine neem powder with your water to make a paste. Apply the oil or paste to your hair and leave for around 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse hair and brush with a fine-tooth comb to remove any lingering head lice. Use a second treatment the next day to stay on the safe side. Neem is widely available in various forms online, from herbal tea, neem twigs, neem oil, and neem powder to capsules, dried leaves, medications, and more. You can also find neem seeds, mouthwash, tinctures, creams, and shampoos. A word on buying neem oil as a healthy skin remedy. If it's not already diluted in a carrier oil, make sure you dilute it in coconut, almond, or olive oil before you apply it directly to your skin. When it comes to side effects of neem, the powder is generally safe and doesn't have many side effects. The only thing to be aware of is that neem isn't recommended for pregnant women and children, and it's best to avoid while breastfeeding, as there's not enough evidence to support its safety. If you fancy making your own neem leaf powder, it couldn't be simpler, though you will need access to fresh neem leaves, so you'll have to live near a neem tree or find a reliable online seller. After leaving the leaves to sundry for around 2 days, they should be crisp and dry. Once they've taken on this texture, you can simply put them in a blender and blitz them until they're ground into a fine powder. Store this powder in an airtight container and use as and when you please. If you've enjoyed this video and want more plant-based remedies, then check out the Lost Book of Remedies. It's a hugely popular book on the healing power of plant medicine, and you can check our review or watch a video explaining more about the book by clicking on the link within this screen or in the description below. You won't be disappointed.